Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I got a package in the mail from a company that is called Out of Air, and it's actually they do vacuum seal bags and rolls and things. So this is their 50 count zipper vacuum seal bags. They're quart, so they're 8 inches by 12 inches. They're BPA free. Let's see, keeps food safe, tough bags, fit, Sus Verde? I don't know, I don't know how to pronounce it right. Anyways, it's for the cooking in the bag. Let's see, writes without, you can write on it without smudging, tear, then zip, measure quickly, and that's all the stuff that's on the back, and it says 2 mil thick. So these are what the bags look like, and so they got a place down here to write on, and you can boil. They are microwave safe and boil safe, refrigerator and freezer. So they also comes with that's kind of a little weird. Oh, okay, you fill it from the bottom. So it's sealed up here, and it's got the notches for the, so you can rip the top off, and then it's got the zipper seal here. You fill it on the bottom, and that's how these work. And then they gave me some vacuum seal bag rolls. There are 2 of them supposedly in here, if I can get the box open. So there's 2 of each. So right here, it's got 2 of each. It's got 8 inch by 25 feet, or 11 inches by 25 feet. So, this is the smaller roll. They all have 25 feet, but this is the 8 inch one. And then, let me pull out one of the other ones. Oh, stuck at the bottom. Alright, and then this is the 11 inch one. So we get, so I have some of those. You all know that I vacuum seal a lot, so I'm very grateful for the Out of Air company to send me these, and I will in the future be doing videos of vacuum sealing again, but we're still working on a few things here before I can start just vacuum sealing and canning and food prep stuff, all that prepping stuff. So then they also sent this box. I'm not going to open this one because it also has a cutting thing in here. So it's 8 inches by 100 feet, vacuum seal roll. So, and it includes a cutter on the box. So when you pull it out, you can cut the bags to the size that you want. Let's see if there's any other information from this one. Nope. So they're still there. Oh, these are 33% thicker, premium quality. So yeah, it's the Out of Air brand. Sorry about the lighting again. I'm still working on it. Gotta get things done around here first before I can start working on YouTube stuff. So, alright, so this one includes a cutter as well as this one here, and this is the same kind of thing. The roll is in here, and then you open this part here, and it's got a cutting spot for the roll. And these work with all vacuum sealers. That's what's on they claim on the box. This one is 11 inches by 100 feet, and so it's nice that I like rolls so I can decide the size, but for things, so there's not, I don't like wasting, so I try to use up every little piece I have. Even with these, if I don't fill it, I'll use the rest of the plastic for something else. Usually vacuum sealing small things like extra pills or stuff like that for my medicine, or other little items. I try to keep as much as I can. If it's really small, then I don't. But anyway, so these are really nice because you can. The rolls are really nice, so you can cut just what you need for it. And I like the fact that the boxes come with the cutters, so I don't have to have other. I don't have to have other items or anything. I can just use what's already included in the box. So I'm going to be excited to use these, and maybe I'll try to sneak in some vacuum sealing over, in the next month or so. So anyways, this is the unboxing of the Out of Air vacuum seal bags. I do believe I have another shipment coming. I think they said in the email that they had to break it up into a couple of deliveries. So this was the first one, which is a lot as it is. So I got one roll. Oh, this one is 4 millimeters thick. So this one says that. Does this one say? Yep, this is 4 millimeters thick too. So all their bags are pretty good thickness, and they do feel like they're pretty sturdy and comparable to other bags that I've tried as well. So yeah, this is a lot of stuff, and I'm very thankful to them for sending me all this. So I'm anxious to give it a try and start putting stuff back. And alright, so as always, may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.